Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Buick. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick is a great value with less than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.